Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to do push-ups the right way. Push-ups are a great exercise that can help you build upper body strength, but it's important to do them correctly to avoid injury and get the most out of your workout. So, let's get started. Step 1, Proper Form. The first thing you need to know about doing push-ups is proper form. Start by getting into a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet together. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core engaged and your elbows close to your body as you lower yourself down towards the ground. Step 2, Breathing. Breathing is also important when doing push-ups. Inhale as you lower yourself down towards the ground, and exhale as you push yourself back up. This will help you maintain proper form and get the most out of your workout. Step 3, Modifications. If you're new to push-ups or find them difficult, there are modifications you can do to make them easier. You can start by doing push-ups on your knees instead of your toes, or by doing push-ups against a wall or a bench. As you get stronger, you can gradually work your way up to doing push-ups on your toes. Step 4, Common Mistakes. There are some common mistakes people make when doing push-ups. One of the most common is letting your hips sag or sticking your butt up in the air. This can put strain on your lower back and make the exercise less effective. Another mistake is flaring your elbows out to the sides, which can also put strain on your shoulders. Keep your elbows close to your body to avoid this. Step 5, Benefits. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of doing push-ups. Push-ups are a great exercise for building upper body strength, including your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also engage your core and can help improve your posture. Plus, they require no equipment and can be done anywhere, making them a convenient exercise to add to your routine. That's it for today's video on how to do push-ups the right way. Remember to focus on proper form, breathing, and modifications if needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.